Matthew. So, your thoughts? End result? Last meeting of the show. We had a great time. These two guys. Yeah. Your thought? Yeah. It is what it is. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to say hi to YouTube? How about you?
Hey, YouTube.
Oh, thank you.
Who we
Thank
saying
you.
hi to?
YouTube.
Who's watching it?
Huh?
Who's watching it right now?
My 4 subscribers.
You're subscribed. You got subscribers?
I have a couple of subscribers.
I don't know. The people I talked to, they had no idea.
I know they don't.
They said they hadn't seen him on my video before.
Yeah. That's right. Someone said they saw me.
Witness, I heard that.
Yeah. But no one's ever seen you on my video.
Nope.
Until
I'm
now.
incognito.
You won't get on my videos.
Nope. Because you're a nobody.
That's very true. I am.
He's a nobody. No, I haven't.
Oh, he does. He just.
The wife bought one for me to do a podcast.
We're gonna get you on the podcast. Well, see, what I got to do is I got to go talk to the boss. I'm gonna get. That's right. That's what I needed to discuss with her tonight before we all part around. You're getting on podcast.
We'll get her on right now.
You won't do it.
Just in case your viewers haven't already,
okay.
I have a Teespring account. You can go over there, go to my videos, model car videos. In the description below, there's a link for my Teespring. You can go buy you a hoodie or a long sleeve shirt like I have on here, or a mug, or a sticker, or something. There's some other stuff too. But anyway, just go over there and get you some of that stuff.
Shipping's free and it's half price for the next 30 days.
I don't know about that.
Okay, you're on. So we got to get him to be on my podcast, and you bought the camera for him to make sure he does it, but he won't do it. So what's it going to be?
You told on yourself, didn't you?
Well, I always give you credit where credit's due.
I bought him a webcam.
Yep.
I have bought him a remote mic. I have bought him a microphone for the computer.
So, and what I said to him is, I'm no longer talking to him. I'm talking to you from now on.
Okay.
You're going to be on the podcast now.
He's afraid to be on the podcast. People see what's behind it.
Oh, is that what it? Well, put up a sheet or something. Jeez.
My boss says, that's neat. Look how neat it is.
Even he was on my own podcast.
Back to free shipping and half price for the next 30 days.
I don't know about the free shipping part.
Oh! Now, if I was selling stuff on Throttle Power, it'd be free shipping.
But I see that's another. But you don't sell stuff on Throttle Power.
Lies and slander.
They're confused over there. They don't know if they're really watching model cars or real cars.
Oh, that's what it is. Well, go to the channel where the power is throttled up. That's what you're saying is?
All about the throttle.
It's all about the power of the throttle and the throttling power.
Something like that.
Okay, excellent. Unpodcast, right?
And this is the channel with free shipping and half price.
Oh, jeez. Oh, they're gonna. No guarantees. Welcome to another episode of whatever you're right. I am
It's
tight.
gone.
Here's the producers.
Oh man. So, your thoughts?
It was an awesome time.
Wasn't it an awesome time?
It felt like it was over in minutes,
Yes.
but according to my wallet, it's still going on.
Yeah, definitely. So,
We got to go do some Tetris with the suitcases.
oh yeah, definitely. That's going to be a challenge. And then we will this week be doing another episode of the Model Car Guys. And with BG.
And Luka Cee.
And then we'll give you guys all the fill on what's going on. Get all the dirt. We'll have a good time with that. And we might have a secret call in. On the show.
I love those dead cat-like reflexes he has.
You thought I was shorter?
Maybe we might have 2 secret call ins. I don't know.
You were going to be a little shorter than you actually are, and I thought he was going to be taller.
Or maybe we'll have. Well, we already had him. We don't need him.
Mr. Batson.
It was a blast.
We need to say
It is. And there's Mark. There's the hobby.
Are you for hire? Do you want to do that?
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, he did. He. I didn't tell you about that. He was the. Yeah, it was Matthew who recorded it all.
Y'all are so successful at that. Matthew and I start one. It'll be the old southern dudes.
Yeah.
The top normal show.
Oh.
I expect your next one.
The Southern model. Yeah.
I expect to open up Brian going, hey, y'all.
Yeah, well, it's probably going to happen because I've already picked it up a bit.
Is that the one's going to have subtitles so everybody knows what you're saying? Just asking. I got to tell you though, I've been using the word y'all a lot around here the last couple of days.
You'll be hearing me say y'all for a couple of weeks.
Right.
Definitely after listening to this, man. Y'all come back now. Here.
Y'all come back now. You hear?
Uh-huh.
Hey, banjo music. Paddle faster.
What a gas, huh?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So much
I'll sleep for a week, but you know.
Just be awake for Wednesday.
Oh, I will be. Don't worry. Wednesday's our tape day, so hopefully I have it out by Thursday or something like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. There you go. He's always selling. Oh, man. Hey, did you do any videos?
You know what? No, I looked at all the Miss BG. She did all the filming on it.
She was all it, huh?
She was all in. I got the new camera.
There's Miss BG.
Especially on the red.
Well, it'll be done right.
That new green stuff, man, that's awesome.
All I have to do is edit it and say, no, that's not mine. No, that's not mine. No, that's not mine.
Right. We'll be looking forward to that one.
You know, she actually had a comment about the show saying that she liked the fact that she could see the names on the tags, so she knew who it was.
Right. And me too. That was awesome. All you people that put on shows, come on. Names on tags. Names on tags. Right? Names on tags?
Yeah, something like that. Whatever he said, yeah.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
Names on tags, right?
Oh, name tag.
No, not name tags.
Oh.
Well, what did you say?
Like on the placement cards. Have the names on the placement cards at model shows.
Yes,
so we know who built the models.
Yes, do.
Yes.
Yes, I agree thoroughly. I like to go and talk to whoever. I want to find them. I don't want to go, hey, is that
Did you cover yours up?
Yes.
I like to know. No, you didn't, because I videotaped. You don't cover them up.
I like knows whose building is. That's why I know if I want to lean on it or not. Oh, sorry.
And he does some leaning, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'm leaning right now.
When you're over 6 foot, you either lean or you're going to date a girl named Eileen. But so I'm leaning.
10 minutes ago, I was leaning on Munch Cosplay.
What?
Whew, man.
All right, well.
Where's Daniel at? I need to lean on something.
Where's Daniel?
Well, had a great time with you. I had a great time with you. We'll talk about it later. Great time with you. Great time with you guys. Man, I tell you, it was so great meeting y'all in face-to-face.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. We had a good time.
Nice meeting all. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta behave.
Yeah, I know somebody that snored last night.
Uh-oh.
I ain't gonna mention no name.
All right. Well, BG,
Yes, sir.
what did we say at the end of the video?
Oh, yes. Keep cutting that styrene and keep gluing them fingers together.
We are.
Yeah.
We play with plastic.
And here's the producers.
Yeah.
wrapping it up.
We're wrapping it up.
We're wrapping up here at the Southern Nationals NNL, and just a great time at the Hotel here. We're in our little gathering room. We had a blast today.
Yep, the gathering room.
Can you do? We're just going to say our goodbyes. So, we'll start with Matt here. That's a Flintstone body. Good night. Luka Cee.
Good night, Matthew. Good night, Mark.
Good night, Matt. Let's go to see.
Yeah, say good night to everybody. Yeah, well,
Were you filming me?
I am filming you, but actually what I'm doing here now is I didn't do my closeout at the show. So, again, we got to do, keep on gluing them fingers together, keep on cutting that styrene, and make sure, yeah, cut the styrene, and, oh man, he's awesome, isn't he? And make sure you go to Malcar Video's Teespring store and buy his shirts.
After you subscribe to my
After you subscribe to his channel. And what do we do? We will see you in the next video.
My governor's.
Here's the producers.